Waxonator is the best and the rest is all shit. Ew. Ah, gosh, it disturbs me to see you taking your dumps. Ah, every guy you love to beat you off, and it's not very hard. Whoa, whoa. Everyone's oddly inspired by you. When I was a lad, I watched 4 dozen pornos to help me get erect. And now that I'm grown, I eat 5 dozen inches of my dick. Oh, roughly the size of a ball. Wow! Yes, I'm dating all of my decorating. I'm especially good at ejaculating. Large semen intake. 10 points for Gaston. Whoa. As a special, no one's ass is as incredibly thick as Gaston. Stop. There's no man in town as admired as Lady Gaga. You can ask any Tom, Dick or Stanley, Dick or Waxonator. Sir. As you say, I have semen in my face. Licking off your face. My, what a guy that gets down. Do. Fill my mouth with that thick, sweet juice. When I was a lad, I ate feces. No.